One Love family, Just Tree here, and tonight I get to make the family dinner. So I'm gonna make this wonderful kale salad. We got some dino kale here. I'm gonna just start by de-ribbing that dino kale. And these ribs make good stuff to throw in my juices. And there's actually more nutrition in the ribs than in the leaf, interestingly enough. So we leave a little tiny bit in there. And I'm just going to run through that. So now that we got our kale all chopped, I'm going to throw about a teaspoon of salt in here. And just massage it. Kale has goitrogens in it that will inhibit your thyroid functioning, so they're best if they're cooked down or salted and massaged so that they wilt and are a little more bioavailable and a little less goitrogens. So now we're going to chop about a head of parsley. This is parsley from our greenhouse that we tend. My dad's greenhouse, but there's always plenty of parsley for everyone. And parsley is in the carrot family. And it's a really good chelator. A deep green color there is really good for pulling heavy metals out of your blood and just detoxification in general. Chop it up nice and fine. It's okay if there's some stems in there. The rest of the stems of the kale and the parsley I'm going to save for juicing. So there we got our kale and our parsley. Now we're going to add some Great Northern beans that I rinsed to rinse off the phytates. Usually we like to cook our beans from scratch so we can soak them, which will decrease the phytates. Phytates are like anti-nutrients. They'll actually take nutrient out of your body, so important to soak and long cook your beans, but for quickness I'm going to use these tonight. Next we're going to put a couple cloves of fresh pressed garlic in there. Next we're going to add some thyme that we grew here. So a little bit of that. Ooh, a lot of that. It'll be good though. And then we're going to add a little more salt and some fresh ground black pepper. Got this nice thing that you can kind of see how much black pepper you got before you add it. A little more. Next, we're going to throw in the juice of one lemon. Next, we're going to throw in about a quarter cup of extra virgin organic olive oil. Olive oil has been shown to be a very strong health promoting food. And now we're going to throw about 2 tablespoons worth of organic rice vinegar. Okay, last of all, here we got some homemade nettle pesto we're going to add. I would say probably about something like, what would you say? I guess maybe about 2/3 of a cup. And we're just going to mix all this up. And we're also going to add in about a half cup or so of vegan Parmesan, or regular Parmesan if you're vegetarian. Just mix thoroughly.